Now, a heart murmur is basically hearing a different sound than what it should be when we're listening to the heart. Sometimes it's described as a swooshing noise or a whooshing noise, and it's caused by turbulent blood flow. But there are two types of murmurs. One, we used to call it functional, now it's called an innocent heart murmur. And the other one we used to call structural, it's now called an abnormal murmur. Usually the innocent murmurs are found in healthy people. It can be children, could be women who are pregnant, after exercise, and they really do not require treatment. However, abnormal murmurs are very different. Usually there's something going on in the heart or the valves while we hear an extra sound. And it's important in the dental office, firstly, to do a good medical history to determine if our patients have a murmur, and secondly, to determine if it is a murmur, what type of murmur is it?